Alright, we're going to slice this open. And first we're going to be real safe and hold it down. And let's make that cut straight across. Away from my body, because I think that's what you're supposed to do. Let's see. I think I should make this one orientation. I think I put. Alright, so let me, okay, alright, okay, alright, let's see how this works out here. I believe these are the split, and, alright, let's get this out here. You know what? This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna lay it face down. This way. Alright, let's set this aside here. Alright, so it looks like the horned rim glasses fellow from the Heroes show, which was a pretty good show. Alright, so let's open these stickers here. Stab it. And just pull that out there. Set this aside. And let's see here. You know, I'm going to set this down and see if I can just slide this out for a better shot.